Hi guys, my name is Hina aka the Crazy Cat Writer, and today I'm here to tell you all about my first webinar. I will be hosting a webinar on 30th of April. I just wanted you all to know it's going to be an introduction to creative writing basics. It's my first webinar and of course it's free of cost. So it's going to be a very short webinar of 30 to 45 minutes, and I'm going to discuss about creative writing, different forms of creative writing, how you can get started in writing, how you can improve your writing skills, and what all you need in order to become a better writer, the do's and don'ts in creative writing. It's going to be fun, it's going to be very informative, and it's free, so anyone can attend. I am going to be hosting it on 30th of April from 11 to 11:30. That's the time that I've set, but it can go on till 11:45. I'm really not putting a timestamp on it, but it's gonna start at 11 o'clock. So if you want to attend it, I'll be hosting it as a Facebook live event. So if you want to be notified about it, then you'll have to register yourself as attending on my Facebook event. I will be leaving the link to the Facebook event here with this video, so you can click on it and you can get the updates about the webinar, when it will start and stuff like that. This is going to be my first, so I'm just going with the flow with this one. I hope you guys will come and that you'll find it informative, and that it'll help you in getting started with your writing. Do share this video and this link with anyone you think is interested in writing, with your friends, with your community, with your followers, with your fans, everyone, so that whoever is interested in getting started in creative writing can attend it and understand the basics of creative writing. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.